Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about whether it's worth investing in expensive lenses. Let's dive right in. Are expensive lenses worth it? If you're just starting your videography journey, then the answer is no. In my previous video, I emphasized that gear should not get in the way of creating. If you're just starting out, it's much more important to be making videos with whatever gear you have available. However, if you're at a point in your videography journey where you're ready to invest in some gear, then the answer is absolutely yes. And here's why. Lenses don't develop as fast as camera bodies. They can last you a long time with proper care, and they hold their value much better over time. For example, my first camera, the Canon 5D Mark II, came out in 2008, and now it's quite outdated. But my lens, the Canon 24-70mm L series f2.8, came out in 2012, and it's still incredible. It stood the test of time, and it's still producing fantastic results. So if you're considering investing in gear, here's my advice. Put your money into a quality lens. Camera bodies will become outdated quickly, but a great lens, they'll become vintage and still be a powerful tool in your kit along your videography career. When purchasing a lens, look for ones with a lower f-stop. For example, my lens has an f-stop of 2.8. The lower the number, the more light it can let in, which will help for darker environments. Plus, a lower f-stop will help create that dreamy, cinematic, shallow depth of field, making your subjects pop out from the background. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you along your videography journey. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will see you on the next one.